So a fellow DJ the other day said to me there were a lot of kids at the wedding I did last week. It was a nightmare. I don't know what to do. When there's lots of kids at a wedding, it seems like I might as well just give it up, play what they want, because they take over the dance floor. Hi, it's Bill. This is Creative License, and thanks again for being a part of my little dog and pony show. Thanks for being so nice to all of my sponsors. Of course, Electro Voice, the greatest speaker company in the world, as well as DJ Event Planner. If you need a CRM, look into DJ EP. Disc Jockey News, which runs my little show and has more videos to learn how to do this than anybody you'll ever find. And of course, Promo Only, the only music service I use. And my workshop. I've got the Entertainment Experience Workshop. I hope you consider being a part of it. If you want to consider it and want to know more, just reach out and talk to me. So kids at a wedding. I can't tell you how many times I hear about how the DJs are just giving up. Okay, lots of kids at a wedding, I'm just going to give up. There's nothing I can do. No matter what I play, the adults just sit there. They don't want to knock the kids over. The parents aren't watching out for the kids. What am I supposed to do? Should I be engaging them? Should I not be engaging them? What am I supposed to do, and why do I have to deal with it? Well, first of all, if there's a lot of kids at the wedding, more than likely it's because the people getting married have something in their heart for the children that are there. So engaging them isn't always the worst idea, and there's lots of things that you can do, but if you do, usually it is something that you do earlier in the evening. Most of the time, if they want me to engage the children, I've talked to them ahead of time. And if you're surprised, let's go back a little farther. If there's a lot of kids at the wedding and you didn't know there was going to be a lot of kids at the wedding, what were you doing when you were talking to the couple? Why didn't you bring that up? Why was that not a question that you ask? It's a question that I ask every single time. Are there going to be kids at the wedding? How many kids? What are their age groups? And do you want me to engage them? Now, less and less weddings are allowing people to bring their children, but you still might have to deal with this sort of thing. Okay, but if you know what's coming, then you give it some thought. Now, when I engage, usually it's because we can do something maybe during dinner, okay? Make a little hide and seek game, or some kind of go out and find something game, or a scavenger hunt or something like that. If I have a dance floor during the cocktail hour, the kids aren't really going to eat. They're not going to sit and converse. They're going to down their chicken wings, or their chicken fingers rather, and they're going to run all over the place. So why wouldn't you, for a second, get the hokey pokey on, bring them out to the dance floor, do the hokey pokey, do the chicken dance, teach them the bunny hop. There's lots of little kid things you can do to engage them on the dance floor. First of all, grandparents, if you engage them early, love it. They want to come out there and get involved. If you can engage the children to then engage the adults, lots of photo opportunities, lots of things they're going to remember the next time that they think about you, because you didn't just ignore a small part of the guests. But if you know they're coming, you can have this conversation with your client. More than likely, if we're going to engage, you should probably do it early. Are the kids going to stay? Are you going to want me to take weird child requests after the main dancing have started? Is that important to you? Do you want to be dancing with the children all night long? You're going to get most of the time, no, I don't want that. Yes, we should do it early. No, these kids are going to take off. Plus, a lot of the times you find out that there's maybe going to be 3 kids at a certain age that might get involved, and the rest of them are teenagers that are too cool for this stuff anyway, right? It is the thing that is difficult for me to help somebody with is the idea that they're surprised that there's going to be kids there. If you're surprised, then you got to deal with what you got to deal with. But if you're not surprised, if you find out ahead of time, you can make a plan. You can talk to your other colleagues who do this sort of thing. You can ask the couple, what are you guys into? What would you do with the kids? Can you get the bride and groom involved with the children? There's lots and lots and lots of ideas that I don't necessarily have to tell you if given a little bit of time to figure it out. So my advice usually is talk to them ahead of time. Find out if the kids are going to be there, and then discuss your ideas with the couple. Because most of the time, the couple's like, yeah, no, kids are great and all, but this is not about them, it's about me. So now you have permission to not really have to engage. And when it comes to kids all over the dance floor, that is about communicating with the parents about the fact that things are going to begin maybe, or talking to the couple about the fact that this has happened, maybe they can help you out. Because you can't go around and whack them with the microphone. But you're not going to win any points doing that. I've tried that. It doesn't work. Tell me what you think. So share some of your ideas. And until I see you next time, remember, this is Creative License. I'm Bill Herman. Bye.